are talking about the best VPN for Mac. I'm using a Mac right now, and the best VPN is Nordvpn. I'm going to show you exactly why and how you can get an incredible deal by hitting that link down below. So let's get straight in. So guys, let's start this off. You can get Nordvpn, as you can see on the website, on a lot of different apps, okay? Android, Windows, Apple, things like that. But we're talking about Mac right now because I do think this is the greatest on Mac. Now, why is it the greatest? It has incredible features, and if you look at this comparison here, it's a lot faster than all the other VPNs. It's got more servers than nearly all the VPNs, and it's got WireGuard, which is the top protocol. So everything falls into place for Mac users to be able to use this. Now, if you're looking for a VPN for Mac, this really is it, okay? You can wander around freely, embrace next generation encrypted, browse without a trace, stay safe no matter where you are, block everyday threats, use with no hassle, and get assistance 24/7. So what I want to do is actually show you the VPN at work. So let me go straight to the application. So here we are, guys. We're inside of NordVPN right now, and do you want to know why I think this is the best one? Because of how easy it is. It's as simple as click one button for a quick connect, okay? And it can connect for you. It's as simple as scrolling down these servers to find the country you want. Or you can also drag the map, which is a feature that no VPNs I've seen actually have. So for example, I know this is Great Britain. Okay, I'm gonna click on United Kingdom and I'm gonna try and connect there now. See how fast that connected? I paused for like 3 seconds and it connected. Again, this is why I think this is the best VPN. You can go to any country. Now, one thing I want you to know is you don't just have to click the countries. Like other VPNs that I've compared before, you get a server in Albania, you get a server in Austria. You don't get different servers inside of that country. So for example, if I want to go to Albania, yes, I can click on it and it'll connect. Or I can go inside and look, it says how many servers there is, 6 servers. So let's go to Albania 19. Faster than I even finished saying the words 19. So that's how easy this is, guys. You can do that in any country. If you want to go all the way to Norway, click on the dots, go into 85 servers in Norway and click one of them. Okay, real easy. That's why I love NordVPN. So guys, open up the preferences by clicking this box at the back. Okay, I just want to show you one thing. The reason I also think this is the best VPN is not just because of all the protocols it has, not because of the incredible Nord links that it has, but because every VPN has a kill switch, or most VPNs do. But what NordVPN does is it has an advanced kill switch. You can see here. So it's already got a built-in kill switch, which initially will be on there, but you can turn on the advanced, and I do recommend doing that, guys. So if you agree with me, I hope you do. I do think this is definitely the best VPN. So guys, if you hit that link, this is the deal you're actually going to get. Or if you go on onlyvpns.net and go through recommended for NordVPN, you're going to get this deal. It's exclusive to us, okay? Start the year with a huge discount deal. All you got to do is click get this deal. So you get a 30 money back guarantee. You can see a big 65% savings on there. Hit get the deal, and guess what else you get? 1 month for free. Guys, this is incredible. We're literally giving this to you, all right? If you don't like it after 29 days, for example, just let us know and you don't have to keep the subscription. But guys, 1 month free, 30-day Mac bag guarantee, and 65% off. You can't beat that. Make sure you hit that link. There you go, guys. If you've got a Mac, this is the best VPN you can get for Mac, but you have to hit that link down below or you won't get the deal that we spoke about today. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you another time.